Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for your therapy clinic. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my therapy clinic in Facebook lead ads, then automatically I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. And for sending the message, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So here I have to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API. So for creating this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In Action application, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So how I am going to create this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to see that how we can connect Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp together. So here, I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my Facebook leads that I'm getting for my therapy clinic. And here on my Facebook, I have this page which is named as the Healing Tree. So this is the page for my therapy clinic, and to promote my clinic, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now I want to connect with these leads instantly. So I want, as I get new Facebook lead for my therapy clinic, then automatically I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. And here for sending the message, we are going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, which is an official cloud API for WhatsApp by Meta. So for this, I have to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API. And for that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now I want to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for your therapy clinic. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select home here and I will click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. And I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. Now I'm going to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. So I'll click here. So here I have already logged in my account in the browser. So it has detected that. So I'm going to click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I have these two tabs. First is of page, second one is of lead gen form. So here I have to select these two details. And for that, let's go to Facebook. So this is my Facebook page and it is named as the Healing Tree. And for the lead generation form, what I need to do is I need to open this menu and I have to open Meta Business Suite here. And in this, I will go to all tools and I'm going to find instant forms. So I'm going to open this. And in instant forms, we can see I only have one lead generation form, which is named as contact form. So I'm going to open this and we have these three details in my form. First is of email, full name and the phone number. And this is how my form look like. So I'm going to close this. And I'm going to map these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So first I have to select my page. So I'm going to open this tab and in this tab, you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. And here we are going to use this Healing Tree page. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to select my lead gen form. So I'm going to open this tab. And if you want to use all the lead generation forms that are connected with your Facebook page, then you can select this all lead gen form option. But I want to use this particular form which is named as contact form. So I'm going to select this. And here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the save and send test to quit button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send as Request button, and here it is waiting for webhook response. Now how I am going to get this webhook response? For that I need to use Metaphor Developer, and in Metaphor Developer I have to create a sample submission. So for that, let's open Metaphor Developer. In this I will go to More and I will open Tools, and in Tools I'm going to find this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So I'm going to use this, and here we have these two options, page and the form. So again I have to select my page that I want to use. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select my page, which is the healing tree, and my form is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to click here on this preview form button, and I have to fill my form, and in my form I'm going to fill dummy details and I'm going to create a sample submission. So for that I'll click here. So this is my form and I have these details here, email, full name and the phone number. So I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my email will be damouser@pablitudes.com, and I have to give a full name. So my full name will be damouser. Now I have to give the phone number, and I have to make sure that my phone number is also the WhatsApp number of my lead. So for that I'm going to type the WhatsApp number here. So this is the phone number and the WhatsApp number of my lead. Now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit, and I have submitted this form and I have created this new lead. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this new response. So the email address is damouser@pablitudes.com, and this is the full name, which is damouser, and we have this phone number, and this is also the WhatsApp number of my lead. So what I need to do is I need to send an automated WhatsApp message to my lead on this particular number, and for that I have to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to search for that. So I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API here, and I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send template message will be my action event, and I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect, and I will click on add new connection. And to connect WhatsApp Cloud API, what I need to do is I have to first give a token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. And how I'm going to get all these details? For that, what you need to do is you need to first create a WhatsApp Cloud API account. Let me take you to my WhatsApp Cloud API. So I have set up my account here, and you also need to set up your account here. So after setting up your account, you will find all these details here. What we need is we need an access token. So I'm going to refresh this, and I'm going to copy this access token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste my access token here. Now I need the phone number ID. So let's go back to WhatsApp Cloud API, and here below this phone number, I have the phone number ID. So I'm going to copy this. And here we need to make sure that we are using the phone number ID, not the phone number. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste my phone number ID here. Now I need the WhatsApp business account ID. Now for the WhatsApp business account ID, I will go back to WhatsApp Cloud API, and this is my WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here. Now I'm going to click on save, and I have connected WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. Now to send an automated WhatsApp message, what I need to do is I need to fill all these details here. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a template. So for templates, let's go back to WhatsApp Cloud API, and here I'm going to find my template. So I'm going to open this, and here these are all my templates that I have in my WhatsApp Cloud API account, and I'm going to use this psychiatrist lead template. So I'm going to show you this. And in this template, I have this WhatsApp message that I want to send to my lead, and my message is hello, and I have this one variable. So here I'm going to put the name of my leads, and the message continues with, we have received your lead and we are going to connect with you very soon with the appointment details. Thank you for connecting with us. Regards. So this is going to be the message that I want to send to my leads, and you can totally customize this message according to you, and you can send the message that you want. So here what you need to do is you need to set up your template, and you first have to take the approval from Meta for your template. After taking the approval, you can send this message to all your leads. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to select my template. For that, I have to open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the templates that are connected with your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And in this, I'm going to select this psychiatrist lead template. So I'm going to select this, and my language code is of EN, which is for English. And this is my template ID, which is already selected. Now here I have to give the WhatsApp number of my lead that I want to send message to. So I'm going to map that number here from the response that I received from Facebook lead ads. So here I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads. And in this response, I have this phone number of my lead. So this is going to be the WhatsApp number of my lead too. So I'm going to map this. And now in this body field 1, what I need to do is I need to map the name of my lead. So this body field 1 is the variable in my message. So this is going to change every time I get a new lead. So for that, I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads. And this is the full name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Now I have mapped all my details here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on a save and send test request button. So I'm going to click here. And here I have this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent an automated WhatsApp message to my lead. Now to check this, let's open WhatsApp. And here on WhatsApp, I can see that I have received this new message. So let me open this. And this is the new message. And I have received this message from the Healing Tree, which is the name of my therapy clinic. And the message is, hello demo user, we have received your lead and we are going to connect with you very soon with the appointment details. Thank you for connecting with us. Regards. So this is the same message that I have in my template, and I have used that template and I have sent that same message to this lead on WhatsApp. So here, whenever I'm getting a new lead in Facebook lead ad for my therapy clinic, then automatically I'm sending in an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So here my connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API in such a way that whenever we are getting a new Facebook lead for my therapy clinic, then instantly we are sending an automated WhatsApp message to that Facebook lead. And for sending the message, we are using WhatsApp Cloud API. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was WhatsApp Cloud API, and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.